Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, July 22nd, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Happy Sunday everyone. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful Sabbath today. It's been a very relaxing, nice day for me, thank goodness. Yesterday was a little chaotic. If you're following me on my family channel Hide and Seek, you'll see that yesterday was a little bit insane. Completely doing a makeover on our homeschool room in less than 4 hours, which was pretty crazy. It was overwhelming, but we survived. I have been working really hard to get that channel off the ground. Thank you so much for everybody who's been supporting me. We've been doing a lot of videos over there. So if you're interested in my family life or anything like that, and you just want to see more of what we do every day, please come on over to our channel. The link is in the About section below. Now, I know that's not why you're here. You're here to find out how I did this week on my keto weight loss journey, and I appreciate your support. It is week 81. I cannot even believe that I have been doing this for 81 weeks straight. It's just mind-blowing to me, and it's really inspiring me that I can just keep going on this no matter if I have hard things, stressful things. My life goes crazy, you know, like yesterday I still ate on plan even though we had a really difficult day. I was emotional. I cried a lot. Did not cry on video, but I did cry off video. It was a rough day. And I stayed totally on plan, and I don't even worry when my weight goes up and down, because this is just a really comfortable way to eat for me. It's now my new normal, and it's not based on whether or not it works. Does that make sense? So anyway, I know I'm just blathering on like always, and I know that you guys are here to see the weigh-in, so why don't we just get to it? Alright, so you can see I'm finally back in the 100s, thank goodness. It's been a rough 3 weeks, I hit it on my 18-month weigh-in video, which was basically, 3 weeks ago? Yeah, 3 weeks ago, because it was July 1st, the day that I actually went into the 190s. But then after that, it's been back in the 200s for the past 2 weigh-ins. So it's nice to see those 190s again. I was really hoping for a bigger whoosh. I am still retaining water, I can tell. I'm still retaining a bit of water, so I know I'm actually smaller than that, but I will take it. 199.4 is almost a 2-pound loss. I think it's like 1.6 pounds or something like that loss, 1.5 pounds, I don't know, something like that from last week, which, you know, a loss is a loss, and I will take it. I'll be happy about it. I love seeing that 1 in front of my weight. That is just supremely awesome. Makes me very, very happy. As far as measurements go, I actually did lose 1 inch. And I lost another ½ inch from my bust. And if you'll see on the homeschool makeover video, you can see how much bigger my belly is than my bra line now, which is extremely uncomfortable. I have lost a lot of weight, but I feel like I look more pear-shaped now than I used to when I weighed 374 pounds. I mean, I'm sure it's just kind of like a mind games thing, but when I watch myself on video, I think, my gosh, when is my waist gonna shrink? Trying to be patient, trying not to worry. You can't have any control over where on your body you lose the fat. It's just where your body chooses to burn it today. And it's some reason really wants to suck away my chest. So I just don't even know what to say to that. But you know what? I've got to lose fat from my body in order to be healthy. And I'm just going to try not to think about it too much and just be happy with how I look, because I am happy with how I look. I know a lot of people that wouldn't be happy, but I am happy. So there's that. I'm enjoying doing YouTube. YouTube's been one of my secret pipe dreams probably since YouTube first existed. And I was talking to my kids and I was saying, you know, why didn't we do this sooner? Why did we wait so long to start a family vlog channel? And the long and short of it is that I was fat. I didn't feel like anybody would want to learn anything from me. I didn't feel like anyone would take me seriously. I didn't think I could stand to look at myself on the camera, and thus we never did it, which is really disappointing, because it would be so nice to be able to look back at the memories of my my family memories from when my older kids were young. Thank goodness I still have little ones to enjoy and to savor and to soak up these memories. I'm really excited about that. So as far as keto goes, everything is going great. You guys will see on my What to Eat Wednesday that I've done really well this week on my macros. I'm pretty proud of myself. I've done my electrolytes. I've kept them up. I really don't know why this water weight is still sticking. I haven't been eating a lot of extra bars and things like that, though I think I had it once. Had one this week, but I really don't think that that has anything to do with the water weight gain. I really don't know what is up with my body. But you know what? I also know that it will eventually have to come off, so it's not worth worrying over. So I'm glad you guys are sticking with me. Some of you guys have been here from the beginning, and it's really, really wonderful to have so many great friends and so many supporters. I really do appreciate every single one of you. I think about you. I try really hard to respond to all of your comments and let you know how much I appreciate you. The time that you take to spend here with me, watching my channel and supporting me is absolutely invaluable to me. It's very, very wonderful. It helps me in so many ways, and I am so grateful for all of you who come here to support me and encourage me to keep going and to encourage me to reach my goals, and so that I can help you guys be motivated. You guys can do this. Anyone can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. If you've seen from my videos that I've been posting this week how crazy my life is, and the fact that I can still do this and stay keto is really, really a testimony that if you want to do it, you can. So I encourage you guys to get on the keto bandwagon, check out the Mentor Monday playlist, watch my future keto beginner videos, get inspired, join the Facebook group for support, and just get this going. Because you know what, guys, you're never going to look back and you're never going to regret this. You're going to be in a better place next year than you are this year. No matter how much weight you lose, health-wise, you're just going to be in a better place. And so I just want to tell you guys to do it, get on the wagon, and let's get this done. That's all I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.